If you haven't been outside lately, it is so windy, and I hate to say it, but before the wind rolled in, our cedar count this morning was the highest so far of the season, over 2,000. So obviously there's dust from West Texas rolling in. It's super hazy. That's probably a lot of cedar pollen as well, on top of the damage threat with winds gusting 50+ miles per hour in parts of the hill country right now. 55 degrees currently. Our high made it to 70. Then the cold front rolled through. We picked up just shy of 1/4 of an inch of rain. Our wind advisory in effect until noon for most of our area until 6 p.m. tomorrow. We're talking sustained winds northwest 25 to 30, gust 50+. That's enough that tree limbs could cause some power outages. There could be some damage to anything that's not secured out there. Currently gusting to 51 in Burnet, 35 in Horseshoe Bay, 41 in Llano, 44 miles per hour in Mason, 46 in Fredericksburg, and 35 in Austin. The worst through the I-35 corridor will probably be somewhere in that 2 to 3 a.m. range. So it's going to get worse before it gets better. Peak wind gusts, as mentioned, have been really impressive in the 50-mile-plus range through Llano as well as Burnet. Looking ahead to tomorrow, wind advisory through noon, high temperature 57 degrees, cool and blustery winds start to subside by tomorrow night. Now, on top of the wind reports we've had earlier, we also had some large hail reports just to the south of Caldwell County in Gonzales. Check out this one from Eric and Tammy McKinney. And you were not imagining things. Soft hail, we call it graupel, actually formed along and east of I-35 this evening. It almost looked like snow earlier. You can see that photo from Twitter at this, or I should say X. What we're watching right now is some very spotty light precipitation still holding on. All of this is going to be moving out. Blizzard conditions out in the Panhandle are finally starting to subside. Strong gusty winds should let up. But you know what? This is just the beginning of a very, very busy week. 55 now. As mentioned, tomorrow will stay in the 50s. Peak wind gusts overnight tonight. They're out of the northwest as we continue through the day tomorrow. Winds eventually subsiding, but even in the afternoon, we'll still have some gusts around 22 miles per hour. We're going to have a quiet, sunny day. Once the winds die down, we could see close to freezing on Wednesday. High temperature 67. Thursday up to 75. Another storm chance at night, especially to the east. Can't rule out severe weather. Now, you've heard about the potential Arctic plunge. It is coming 1 week from today. Waking up to 20. Highs may only be in the upper 30s to low 40s. No, it's not 2021. Yes, it is by far the coldest of the season. We'll be right back.